So Living Like Locals tip is when you're there, always ask the locals what their favorite thing is. So I went to the bar here at the Coach House in Pitlochry, Scotland, and I said, "What's your favorite whiskey?" And he said, "Let's do something local." And he gave me some options, and there was something called Aberfeldy, and seriously, it was the best whiskey we've had all day. It was super smooth, and we actually liked it so much that we're gonna do a whiskey tasting there at their place tomorrow, and it's only 20 minutes from us. And so this is kind of how we travel, is just ask the locals what what do they like, what's their secret handshakes, what's their favorite things to do, and what's their favorite food, and when we're in Scotland, what's their favorite whiskey.